This is question 13 from exercise 6B. All right, so we're given this and we're asked to find in ascending, oh no, we're not. We're asked to find the coefficient of x squared. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to expand, or first of all, I'm just going to expand this one, and then I'm going to use the start of the expansion of this one to get the coefficient of x squared. So let's just start with this. Now I only need up to x squared. So once I get to x squared, I'm going to stop expanding. So let's do the first one. It's going to be 4c0 times 2 to the power of 4, and then that's to the power of 0, so we don't need it. Second one is 4c1, 2 to the power of 3, and now we've got negative 3x. This is that's just a 1, isn't it? So we'll just leave it like that. Plus 4c2, we've got 2 squared this time, and negative 3x squared. Now, because I only need that, I need the first 3 terms. Sorry, I need the first 3 terms. I've forgotten what the question is. I don't just want x squared, I want up to x squared, because I need the constant when x is to the power of 1 and when x is to the power of 2. So I'm just going to stop my expansion there. So let's just type all this into a calculator and expand it all. This is just going to be 16. That's 1, right? 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Type all that in, you get negative 96x. Type all this in, you get plus 216x squared. All right, I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm just going to get my first 3 terms because I only need up to an x squared. So again, I have 4c0 times 1 to the power of 10, and then this is to the power of 0. Then I've got 4c1, 1 is to the power of 9, 2x to the power of 1, plus 4c2, 1 to the power of 8, and 2x squared. Again, let's simplify all of that. So I end up with 1. This, when you work it all out, is 20x. This is 4. This is 1. No, it's not. That's not 4. Whatever, you get what I mean. Oh, it is 4. 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. What have I done? Oh, it's 10. That's why it doesn't work. This is not 4. This is 10. We've got the 10th power this time. Okay, that makes this, yeah, okay, that's much better. All right, then we get this one over here. When we expand all of that out, we get 180x squared. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to think about that is this, and that is now this. So I'm going to rewrite that down here. Let's change colors. All right, so I now have 16 minus 96x plus 216x squared. And then this one, which I just did, is 1 plus 20x plus 180x squared. Right, so what I need to do now is work out how do I multiply everything to get my first 3 terms. So I just want a constant first. So that's just going to be 16 times 1, right? Because it's 16 and 1. So I'm going to multiply those two. That is the only combination of things I can get to get a constant. All right, so then the second thing, I'm going to multiply any way that I can get just an x. So I can multiply 16 and 20x. So 16 times 20x. But I can also do 96 or negative 96x times 1. So negative 96x times 1 also gives me a normal x term. No other combination is going to give me just an x. Now I'm going to think about everything that'll give me an x squared. Now there's a few more things here. 16 can multiply to 180, right? So that's going to be 180x squared. But what else does? I can also multiply this x squared by this 1. So 216x squared times 1. But I can also multiply this negative 96x and this 20x. So I'm also going to multiply negative 96x times 20x, because that will also give me an x squared. So when we put all that together, this is just 16. If you put all that together, you get 224x. And if you put all of that together, you get 1176x squared. And these are the first 3 terms in ascending order of our original expansion of that. Right, that is question 13 from 6B.